What's poppin'? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I will be hosting today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these On Clouds. Unfortunately, I don't know what number or model these things are, but I'm sure by the time this video gets posted, we'll have it on the caption, the thumbnail, the description, the title, and all that. But that is besides the point. These On Clouds have been on some adventures, and it's my job to make them look right. Doing so, I'm gonna go ahead and use our signature shoe cleaning kit to get the best possible results, and I'm confident we're gonna get some good results this time around. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it, so let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, guys, and just like that, we got our cleaning station all set up, and we are really ready to get this cleaning party popping off. Let's go ahead and set this shoe aside for some before and after results, and we can go ahead and just get started with this right shoe. First things first, we're just gonna go ahead and insert our shoe tree and remove these laces. So we'll get these laces out of here as well as all of this gunk. All right, let's get it, let's go. Let's go ahead and grab our solution and squirt some squirts. Just a couple squirts, that's all you need. That stuff is highly concentrated. But right now we're gonna start this party off really by using our soft bristle brush, dipping it in our bowl of water, and we're just gonna start hammering away, cleaning these uppers to get the best possible results, to really break it down before we actually drop these things off in the washer. We always recommend starting with our soft bristle brush just because these brushes are the most gentle, and it's gonna work great on this mesh upper. There is a good chance that this mesh could have frayed or snagged using a stiffer bristle brush, but surprisingly, these On Clouds are made of some pretty durable mesh. All right, guys, I was being dead ass. I really don't know the name of this model, but why don't you guys put me on game? Let us know in the comment section down below. What are you calling these things? Wrong names only. Overall, these uppers are cleaning up great, and we haven't even put them in the laundry system, but right now we do gotta proceed using our medium bristle brush. I'm really just gonna focus on this midsole, try to detail in all these grooves that are on the sneakers so that we can get just the best possible clean. If I'm still having some issues up in there, I'm gonna jump over to our stiff bristle brush. That is gonna wrap it up for that medium bristle brush. Perfect time to jump over to our stiffy. Our stiff bristle brush is working great on this specific midsole because of all these grooves and canyons. These stiff bristle brushes are really getting nice and deep in there, allowing to get the most effective clean, as well as taking care of this grooved outsole. Check out these results. All right, these outsoles are looking spiffy. Matter of fact, this whole sneaker is looking great. It's almost ready to go put in the washer, but before we do that, we want to take care of these laces. Couple simple, easy steps. All you do is just put inside the bowl of water, swoosh back and forth. We got our rubber bands all done. Let's go ahead and just put those inside the shoe, and we're just gonna go ahead and put that inside the bag like so. Tie it up, and we're off to go ahead and put these sneakers in the washing machine. Follow me. All right, guys, we got our sneakers. Let's go ahead and drop them off in the washer with one of our sneaker laundry sheets. Basically, from here, you just need to wash them with a normal cycle and cold water. You can get your Reshoevn8er sneaker laundry sheets right now at Reshoevn8er.com, as well as all your other shoe care needs. So make sure you guys hit the link in the bio and shop Reshoevn8er. Sheesh, we are back. I went ahead and grabbed our On Clouds directly from that Arizona sunshine. These shoes are fully clean condition. They look good, they smell good. The only thing that's left is to lace them up, so let's get to it. There it is, that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these On Clouds. Let me go ahead and bring in this dirty pair so you can see how well I got down. All right, we achieved these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit. But before I bounce like some boobies, let me recap and show you exactly how I got these results. We started with our soft bristle brush, broke down the dirt and grime on the uppers. Then we used the medium bristle brush to tackle that midsole, then the stiff bristle brush for the outsole. Lastly, we put these sneakers in the wash machine and washed with cold water, and we got results just like this. With all that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. I'll catch y'all on another one. Adios.